Grammarly Plagiarism Checker. Grammarly offers a plagiarism checker as part of its premium service. This tool scans your writing for similarities to other content on the internet and identifies any instances of potential plagiarism. When you run a plagiarism check with Grammarly, the tool compares your text to billions of pages on the internet, as well as its own database of student papers and academic articles. The tool then generates a report that highlights any instances of potential plagiarism and provides a percentage score for originality. Keep in mind that while Grammarly's plagiarism checker is a useful tool, it's not foolproof. It's always important to double-check any potentially problematic passages and ensure that you've properly cited any sources you've used. Grammarly Free versus Premium version. Grammarly offers both a free and premium version of its writing tool. Features. The free version of Grammarly includes basic grammar and spelling checks, while the premium version includes more advanced features such as advanced grammar checks, sentence structure analysis, and tone suggestions. Plagiarism Checker. The free version of Grammarly does not include a plagiarism checker, while the premium version does. Compatibility. The free version of Grammarly can be used as a browser extension or as a web app, while the premium version can also be used as a desktop app for Windows and Mac.